Welcome back in again in the kitchen with me, cooking up your favorite dishes, guys. Well, anyway, today we're going to show you how you can marinate your fried chicken. Put it down for 24 hours. Right here, guys, I got 6 kilos of chicken, and I'm going to show you how you can marinate a large portion of fried chicken. Beautiful idea to share with you. First of all, I got some fresh thyme, which I need to put this fresh thyme right on top of it, guys. This is some lovely fresh thyme. Let's get this fresh thyme right on top of this chicken. Beautiful. Then next, I got some spring onion and white onion. I'm going to use one medium-sized white onion and spring onion. That's the first thing you need to do. Next thing, look, garlic, chopped up fresh garlic. Right straight. I'm gonna put one more spoon right on top of it, guys. Beautiful. So next thing, we're gonna put on some lovely vegetable oil. Get it marinated, guys. Get all of those flavors straight inside of that chicken, guys. You're gonna love the recipe of this chicken. The next thing, we're gonna put on some all-purpose seasoning. Roughly 2 large spoons of all-purpose seasoning, guys. Lovely. Then next thing, some smoked paprika. Teaspoon of smoked paprika. And some grounded pimento. Teaspoon of grounded pimento. All-purpose seasoning. Nice one. And we're gonna put a pinch of hot spice seasoning just to give it a little flavor. Nice one. Then next thing, everyday seasoning. Beautiful, guys. I'm telling you, you will love this recipe. You know the reason why? It's one of the best recipes I ever done. Ghost pepper. Basically, you need to have on a large gloves to marinate the chicken. So what are you gonna do now? Marinate up the chicken like this. I wanna say I wash off my chicken into some beautiful white vinegar. If you have lemon, you can use lemon. Guess and tell me what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put some paprika on it. Teaspoon of paprika. Nice one. This is just beautiful and nice, guys. Really nice. Or you can marinate a large portion of fried chicken for 24 hours. If you want me to fry this chicken, please write it below in the description box. I will definitely fry it for you. Let's get some more oil. Need some more oil on it. Nice one. As you can see, and what you need to do now after you marinate it, put it into a sealed container. Put it straight inside of the fridge for the next day. Beautiful recipe, guys. You know you will love the recipe. As you can see, oh man, this is beautiful. Look at this. This is just really nice. Look at this, man. Beautiful. So, this is the way how you can marinate a large portion of fried chicken and put it down for 24 hours for it to get soaked. And guys, you will love this recipe. So enjoy the recipe, leave your comments and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you very much, guys, for watching Chef Ricardo cooking in the kitchen one more time. As you can see, large portion of fried chicken, guys. So you can see the best way how to marinate your chicken. Enjoy the recipe.